Hello guys, and welcome to WordPress.com and WordPress.org. What is the difference by WA courses. In this video, we're going to be going over the differences between WordPress.com and WordPress.org and which one you should be using for your projects. The key difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org is in who is actually hosting your website. Okay, so with WordPress.org, you host your website on your own server. Whereas with WordPress.com, you host your website on a cloud managed solution. Okay, so it's like a company hosting WordPress for you, and generally gives you less work to do. Like, you don't really need to know anything about hosting, about cPanels. All you do with WordPress.com is post content. Okay, so it's very easy to get started with WordPress.com, and for WordPress.org, you have to host the WordPress instance by yourself. You need to manage your hosting account, solve issues, you get access to FTP, file manager. So there's a lot of technical stuff there, but what this actually gives you is more control. Okay, so you get more control over your WordPress website. If you use WordPress.com, you're always going to find limitations, and it's actually not free, so you have to pay for you to be able to use WordPress.com. Okay, for WordPress.org, you don't pay for the software itself, you only pay for the hosting, which makes it quite cheaper because you're the one that you're managing everything yourself, and you're not depending on any company. You're not paying any company to manage your website. With WordPress.org, you also have the ability to extend WordPress to unlimited lengths. Okay, but with WordPress.com, there are a lot of limitations, like a lot of features are locked behind paywall. You have to migrate to a higher plan to be able to use some features, and that's just not the case for WordPress.org. So that's why we prefer WordPress.org. Everybody uses WordPress.org, and WordPress.com is mostly for content creators who do not want anything to do with technical stuff. So for this course and for the rest of your WordPress career, you're going to find yourself using WordPress.org always. Okay, and it's quite technical at first because a lot of stuff you need to learn apart from WordPress itself. You need to learn how to direct a domain to your hosting account. You need to learn how to install WordPress. You need to know how to install databases like MySQL, and we're going to be going over everything I just mentioned here in this video. So I'm just trying to give you the differences between WordPress.com and WordPress.org. So I'll see you guys in the next section of this tutorial, where I'm going to be showing you how you can set up a WordPress.org website. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can install WordPress.org on any hosting account, both on your local host and on an online server. So see you then.